cleaning teacher today present actividad 1. Actividad. Hi Julio, hi Vanessa. How's everything?
Everything done. Thanks. I teaching some office. Thanks. I always sheet 5 emails and studied some meetings before a in L.
Hey guys, in my turn with you, I opened my store a bit late today because I had to fix some problems while I online order, but everything's okay now.
Nice. I had a cup of coffee and some fruit this morning. I usually eat an apple or a banana before work. What do you have for breakfast?
I drank some coffee and a sandwich. I never sleep breakfast and thinking it is important that I don't eat cereal. I don't like it.
I had some bread and a glass of juice. I like eating something fast in the morning. I don't have any time to cook.
Some hair by Yawai Vanessa. What do you usually do at work?
When I work as an administrative assistant, I usually start at 8 p.m. I always send some emails, schedule meetings, and organize documents. I print some reports and add them to the clients.
Do you also talk to clients every day?
Yes, I am them and they some phone, receive some blogs at the front desk. I did I try to solve a dispute place with audience says expose me the any copies of the documents I request. Should I parent them item?
That's very professional. In my story, I also get some complaints. I like when a customer don't get the right system. outside in the races the sneaker ordered. I always check the order again and offer a solution.
That's good service. So Julio, what's your daily routine like?
I usually open my store at 9 a.m., prepare some deliveries and talk to some customers. In the afternoon, I do some online sales and check if I need to restock a product.
Do you ever take a break?
Sometimes I eat lunch in the store. I usually bring some rice, a piece of chicken, and maybe some fruit like crickets. But I need eat any vegetable, just don't like them.
I know I love vegetables. I always bring a salad and some mango or pero that's my favorite brand.
I like fruit too. I don't eat any junk food during the week. I bring a sandwich, some sauce, or a small portion of pasta.
That sounds healthy than my snack.
And you Manuel, will you do exactly as the cooperative?
I always check and review some emails in the morning. Then I review credit application, have some documents signed and analyze on the financial reports. Sometimes I coordinate with other departments if there are any issues.
Work from home sometimes.
Only when I need to focus or finish a report would I prefer the office. It's easier to concentrate.
Me, I like the office environment. And though sometimes there is night when we have some stuff.
Yeah, that happens, but enjoy being a media store account. I like taking to customers and checking the products in person.
I guess we all have different work styles, but we're all losing and learning every day.
That's sweet and it is nice to share about our routines and food habits. It helps know each other better.
Totally, we spend a lot of time working, so it's good to share a bit and take a break sometime.
Absolutely, great chat guys. Let's start a list.
Safe, God,
Bye.
you.
Bye. Bye guys.
Thank you.